Walking Macau Streets. Dear Lord, show me a sign. Give me a map. Oh yeah.
Travessa de Say. That's the Nike store. So kind of a cool little space. Got some nice windows. I might walk in for a moment, but I have walked in here before and filmed a little bit, so I won't target too much at all. I'll highlight it in a moment. So these are all from an artist called Chinnery, right here. So it's George Chinnery. Drew on some kind of streams of people today. Okay, so let's go this way and try to angle towards that church a little bit. Okay, so we're going to be walking down Travessa de Say. Say is lane, so we got this kind of crowded lane that goes up that way. And you can also see this Nike store right here, and then there's also a lot of stuff this direction, and these other directions as well. And I'm going to highlight all those in a moment. Put all these different directions over here as well. So yeah, we're basically, that's Sao Domingo's direction, that's Sao Paulo direction, and then Say is another direction that goes to the Portuguese embassy, Portuguese consulate. Then Say, which we're gonna do, goes up to a church up there. So stay tuned. Okay, so Travessa de Say, that's gonna be our target. And before we go up, let's just kind of briefly show you where this all comes out to. So way down there is St. Dominic's, just straight ahead. So that goes to St. Dominic's and then Senado Square. And then way up there is Rua de Felicidade. A lot of historical stuff is that direction. This one is Palha Street, which goes up to St. Paul's ruins and the fortress. So that's another direction that's equally interesting. And we're gonna angle towards our Say Cathedral. And then this direction goes to Rua de Pedro Nolasco da Silva, and there's a Portuguese bookstore on the corner there. And then if you go further, there's a consulate, and it goes up to Rua do Campo, Field Street, which would have went up to the Northern Territory, which would have historically been Chinese. But we're in the heart of the Portuguese part of historic Macau. So next, what we're going to do is we're going to go down Say Cathedral, which is right here, Say Street, Say Lane. And we got the Nike store right there as well. Travessa de Say. That's the Nike store. So kind of a cool little space. Got some nice windows. And one of the things you're going to see right away is there's a ton of shops like beef opal, beef intestines, stuff like that. It's very popular for mainland tourists. So this is kind of like a food street for tourists, mainland tourists in particular. So you'll see this street will kind of feel like you're in mainland China. Like, I get that vibe whenever I'm on the street. And it's because the food's catered. And it's also good prices too in here. Let's just kind of take a look at the food so you can see. This one is kind of Portuguese fusion. I mean, beef intestines. Okay. And here's some more of the foods here. Okay, so we're going to continue going up. Some more of the foods here. Okay. Let me give you a little context to where we are real quick. So this is a casa mansion house, 1889. So we're gonna highlight that in a moment. And that's right there. So that little mansion, you can actually walk inside and take a look around. I might walk in for a moment, but I have walked in here before and filmed a little bit, so I won't target too much at all. That's the exit there, so we're gonna come around. Let's keep on here. Oops, sorry. We'll come on in, and we'll just kind of give you a little idea. I think this architecture is called Lingnan style. So yeah, okay, let's browse on through. And we're also going to come over to this side real quick, but I'm going to just keep filming. I'm not going to linger in this space. But it is here. I have filmed it a little bit more in detail in the past, but I just want to show you that it's on this street. It's on Say Lane. And we'll keep on going up. Today has a lot of tourism. It's a big holiday today. So we're going to turn around in a moment. Give you some context to the street. So yeah, we're kind of up on a hill slightly there. Okay, so what we're going to do next is we're going to keep on going up. So this is called Say Lane, Travessa de Say. And then we're also going to take a look at these murals right here. So all these murals right here are from an artist called, I'll highlight it in a moment. So these are all from an artist called Chinnery, right here. So it's George Chinnery, drew on in 1840, and he was here 1774, or he was born in 1774 and died in 1850s. And these would have been painted, that was painted in 1840, and then this was painted around the same time. And then one of the things you'll see about these is that this would be historic Macau, so that would have been Praia de Grande. Then this one would also be Praia de Grande, and this would be a marketplace. So basically what he would do is he would capture the imagery of Macau, and to people in Europe, that was kind of an images of Asia. So there's the other mural right there as well. So I think that was also, I think all of these are his artwork, including that one. So let's keep on going up. And then right here to the left is the Catholic store. So you can see some Catholicism reference, including the Easter Bunny is there too. So, okay. Got kind of a string of people coming through, so. It's just kind of go upward. Travessa de Sé. Okay. Let's go up a little bit more. Now we're up at the top, at the base. I gotta get across all the people. Just some kind of streams of people today. Okay, so let's go this way and try to angle towards that church a little bit. So that is actually Sé Cathedral. So this is actually the focus, Sé Cathedral. This would be Sé Square over in this direction. A lot of people taking pictures of the church today. Let's move out of their way. And then this would be the Sé Square. Then the Sé Square has a cross right there. So yeah, that's the Sé Church, and then that's the Sé Seminary. I think it's Jesuit. I think originally. And we're gonna come back in a moment, but I'll just kind of give you a context of some more Sé things. So this is actually another lane that goes down. It's almost the same as the Sé lane, but it's São Domingos lane. And there's some nice murals. And then this is other stuff that's also labeled Sé. So you have Sé Street, Rua de Sé. You got the casino over here. And then you also have, this is also called Sé as well. I think that's called, let me take a look real quick. So way in the distance you'll see another Sé reference, because this whole space is all Sé. So you have about 4 or 5 streets with a Sé reference. This one's called Largo de Sé, and ours was Travessa de Sé. So you got Rua, Largo. Okay. Okay. Then we're gonna end right there for Travessa de Sé. Okay. Another little slice of Macau for you. Just walk down on the hill because it's kind of good filming to capture all the people like this. Oh yeah, this is the part. So yeah, there's even a Portuguese ship down below. Some angels. And on that note, we'll end it. So that's Travessa de Sé, a little slice of Macau. All kinds of interesting stuff in here. Travessa de Sé. $2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on.